If you're missing a single tooth, of course, you can place a mini dental implant in the crown. You can also place a bridge. One thing that I love about the mini dental implant is when replacing a molar. When replacing a molar, many times I place 2 mini dental implants and I'm able to replace the same size tooth as a natural molar. Many times with a conventional implant, the tooth is a lot smaller than an actual molar. So you have a molar next to a smaller molar. With the mini dental implant, with the great stabilization of 2 implants, you're actually able to place a tooth there that's the actual same size as your molar, which is our chewing teeth. We do all the work in the back of our mouths to chew our foods, 80 to 90%. So those teeth are very important.